OnePlus is continuously providing software update to the older devices like OnePlus 5 and 5T. In last 30 days, we have already received 2 open beta for both the devices which are based on Android 10. And today we have third beta available for OnePlus 5 and 5T. This update you won't receive it via system update section. You need to manually download these files and update yourself. Download links are given in the description below. First download the file and then place it inside the internal storage. If you're downloading using your mobile, then you can find that file inside download section. Copy this from here and paste it in the root directory of internal storage. Once you are done with that, you need to rename this file because here file format is in .jar. Long press this, tap on 3 dots, select rename and remove .jar from the end. Once done, tap on OK. And one more thing guys, before installing Open Beta 3, make sure to remove all types of security. For example, PIN, password, face unlock and pattern. If you don't remove your passwords, you might have to factory reset your device. And also make sure your device is charged more than 30%. So I don't have any password protection set. Now I'll go to settings, system update. I'll tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner. Select local upgrade and I'll choose the file which is of Oxygen OS Open Beta 3. Tapping on this, tap on upgrade now. Now device will boot into recovery and perform installation process. Our device have been successfully booted up and we have installed latest Open Beta which is Open Beta 3 based on Android 10. Let me show you the software information by going to settings, about phone. This is my OnePlus 5, Android version is Android 10. Security patch remains the same which was 5th April 2020 and the build date is 11th May 2020. With Oxygen OS Open Beta 3, we haven't received any kind of new features or new additions to Android 10. But there are lots of fixes and improvements done to the latest build. Launcher version is now 4.1.6. If you talk about the changelogs, these are the changelogs which are related to system, camera, Wi-Fi and internet. So with related to system, there are lots of optimizations and fixes done. First one is optimize the system icon in UI of call recording, startup animation, mobile signal, etc. Then they have fixed the issue with access to audio tuner after connecting the earphone. Audio tuner works with wired headset. So anyone, let me know in the comment section below. Are you guys facing any kind of issues after updating the device to Beta 3? Then they have also fixed the issue with unwanted muting of calls in Google Duo. So here I don't use Google Duo. If anyone have been facing such kind of muting issues, let me know in the comment section below. Later they have fixed the major bug which was available on the previous update on both the updates Beta 1 and Beta 2, which was related to UPI accounts, wherein device was not able to send or receive any kind of messages. But this has been fixed now and confirmed by few of our community members. Now you can use UPI services without any issues. Next changelog is related to camera, in which they have improved the stability of camera. So you won't see any kind of improvements with the image quality. With the previous update, I had faced issues like camera used to freeze. It happened with me once or twice, but after this update, there are no issues with the camera. Camera version is now 3.0.63. Last changelog is related to Wi-Fi and internet, in which they say optimize Wi-Fi transfer speed display in network details. So here again some optimizations have been done related to Wi-Fi. And last one, they have disabled the Airtel Wi-Fi calling feature. Yes, now Airtel Wi-Fi calling feature is not available inside the Wi-Fi and internet section, which was previously available. Right now you can see I'm using my Airtel SIM card, but there is no option of Wi-Fi calling. There might be some kind of issues related to Wi-Fi calling, because of which OnePlus have removed it. So guys, that was a quick look on Oxygen OS Open Beta 3 for OnePlus 5 and 5T. Talking about the battery backup, this is the first cycle wherein I've got 3 hours and 24 minutes of screen on time with 42% of battery remaining, and this is my normal usage without any kind of gaming. Comparing it with the previous update which was Oxygen OS Open Beta 2, here battery backup has improved a lot. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results using Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core scores 389 wherein multi-core scores 1693. With Antutu benchmark application, device scores 2,52,318. You guys let me know in the comment section below what all bugs you are facing after updating the device to Open Beta 3. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.